Dr. Nwaneri here from Top Center. Our topic today is fast weight loss techniques for optimum health. In my experience helping people stay healthy and lose weight, as well as in my 27 years of experience as a physician, one of the most daunting tasks is helping people lose weight. In the pursuit of health and fitness, we often encounter the challenge of weight loss, the traditional way, or fast weight loss. The key to achieving sustainable and healthy weight loss lies not only in understanding, but also in science. This exploration will delve into the biological intricacies of how our bodies burn fat and the difference between long-term weight loss and unhealthy rapid decline. We will uncover the concept of calories in, calories out, the role metabolism plays in weight loss, and illuminate fast yet health-conscious weight loss methods. From the well-documented practice of intermittent fasting to regimens like strict dieting and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, we will examine each method's benefits and possible drawbacks. Additionally, we'll discuss the necessity of medical consultation before undertaking any weight loss journey to address associated risks and potential pitfalls. Janet will discuss further our today's topic. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Dr. Nwaneri. I'm Janet from the Obesity Prevention Center. Understanding the science of weight loss. Weight loss boils down to a simple principle: consuming fewer calories than your body burns. Each individual has a unique basal metabolic rate, BMR, which is the amount of energy expended while at rest. This energy is expressed in calories and accounts for 60 to 75% of the calories you burn each day. When you eat less than your BMR, your body taps into stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss. The mechanism of fat burn. Stored fat in our body, known as adipose tissue, contains fat cells packed with triglyceride, a type of fat that can be converted into energy. The process of converting fat into usable energy involves numerous metabolic processes. When you restrict calorie intake or ramp up your physical activity, your body begins to break down these triglycerides into glycerol and fatty acids that can be oxidized to produce energy. Depending on how this is done, it could result in fast weight loss. Weight loss, a delicate balance. While it might seem like the formula for losing weight is simple, just burn more calories than you consume, this overlooks some important factors. For one, when you cut back on calories, your body instinctively slows down your metabolic rate to preserve energy, making weight loss more difficult. This is why excessive calorie restriction often leads to a plateau or even weight gain in the long term. Sustainable weight loss versus unhealthy rapid weight loss. Fast weight loss often involves drastic measures such as severe calorie restriction or overstressing the body with excessive exercise. This might lead to quick initial results, but it's generally unsustainable and can trigger various health issues like nutritional deficiencies, muscle loss, and a slowed metabolism. On the other hand, sustainable weight loss is a slower process, involving moderate calorie restriction combined with regular physical activity. This not only helps to preserve muscle mass and maintain a healthy metabolism, but also ensures that weight loss is made up primarily of unwanted fat. Metabolism and its role in weight loss. Metabolism represents all the chemical processes in your body that convert or use energy. Several factors like your age, gender, weight, and physical activity level influence your metabolic rate. While we can control some of these factors, we can affect others. Regular exercise, especially strength training, can boost your metabolic rate and help burn more calories even at rest. Eating enough protein can also give your metabolism a slight boost because it takes more energy for your body to digest than fats or carbohydrates. Calories in, calories out concept. The calories in, calories out concept revolves around the balance between the calories you consume through food and drink and the calories your body burns. To lose weight, the idea is to create a caloric deficit by burning more calories than you consume. However, not all calories are created equal. The quality of the calories you consume matters too. Filling your diet with whole, nutrient-dense foods can help keep you satiated and boost your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. To shed weight in a fast yet sustainable way, a thorough understanding of the intricate process of weight loss is crucial. Among the fastest weight loss strategies are those that focus on creating a consistent caloric deficit through an equal emphasis on diet and physical exercise, as opposed to resorting to harsh measures that may adversely affect your health. Fastest sustainable weight loss methods. Intermittent fasting. Timing is everything. Introducing our first strategy, intermittent fasting, which is progressively receiving widespread acknowledgement as a compelling means of fast weight loss. It is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and fasting. Fasting could last anywhere from 16 hours to a full day. The most prevalent method is the 16/8 method, fasting for 16 hours and limiting all consumption to an 8-hour window. These intervals not only aid in rapid weight loss, but also optimize hormone function to further facilitate the process. However, it's worth noting that it might not be suitable for everybody. Individuals with diabetes or other metabolic diseases should undertake intermittent fasting with extreme care and under the watchful eye of a medical professional. Strict dieting, counting calories and macros. Strict dieting is another weight loss technique that involves closely tracking your food intake. Diets like the ketogenic diet, a low-carb, high-fat diet, can support significant weight loss. Counting calories and macros, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats also enables effective weight control. However, strict dieting requires discipline and consistency and can be mentally challenging for some individuals. It can also potentially lead to nutrient deficiencies if not well balanced. It may, however, lead to fast weight loss. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, quick and efficient. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is an efficient way to burn calories and lose weight fast. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise alternated with recovery periods. Studies suggest that HIIT can help burn more calories than traditional, longer, lower-intensity workouts. This training method also continues to burn calories long after the workout is over due to a phenomenon known as afterburn effect, or EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Keep in mind that it can increase injury risk if not properly executed, so proper form and progression are critical. So at the end of the day, there is an additional non-caloric cost to fast weight loss, injury. Download this report on physical activity guidelines from the CDC. The role of hydration. Drink up. Proper hydration plays an essential role in weight loss. Water boosts metabolism, cleanses your body of waste, and acts as an appetite suppressant, which helps in shedding pounds faster. Health authorities commonly recommend drinking 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, also known as the 8x8 rule. This doesn't include beverages with caffeine or alcohol, as they can potentially dehydrate the body. However, water requirements can vary based on weight, age, and physical activity level. It is important to remember that while hydration contributes to weight loss, it's not a standalone solution and works best alongside other methods such as diet and exercise. The overlooked connection between mental health and weight loss. Often underestimated, the influence of mental health on weight loss attempts cannot be understated. Problems like stress, anxiety, and emotional eating form daunting obstacles in the journey of weight loss. Effectively handling these through mindfulness practices and good sleep, along with consistently maintaining positive lifestyle changes, can significantly enhance mental stability and facilitate weight regulation. Therefore, incorporating strategies for stress management and ensuring enough sleep is also essential in your weight loss program. Importance of medical consultation before embarking on a weight loss journey. The kind of questions doctors get include things like, how could I drop 20 pounds fast? Or, what is the quickest, fastest way to lose weight? No matter how quickly you wish to shed those extra pounds, medical consultation prior to starting any weight loss plan is absolutely imperative. This is due to the potential health risks that rapid weight loss can pose, including nutritional deficiencies, gallstones, and other medical complications. For example, a hasty weight loss program deficient in vital nutrients could compromise your immune system, heighten your fatigue levels, lead to hair loss, and impede the healing process of wounds. Sometimes one comes across publications that tout how to lose 20 pounds in a week, or how to lose weight in 7 days. Find out whether they are medically supervised or not before you join any such program. The role of personal health conditions in deciding weight loss strategies. Notably, personal health conditions play a crucial role in determining the appropriate method of weight loss, as not every program is suitable for everyone. Certain conditions, such as heart disease, hypothyroidism, polycystic ovarian syndrome, among others, can impede weight loss, making it more difficult. Therefore, checking in with a healthcare provider can help address these issues while setting realistic and safe weight loss goals. A registered dietitian or nutritionist should also be involved to ensure you're getting the right amount of nutrients during the weight loss process. Risk factors associated with aggressive and fast weight loss techniques. Research commonly shows that losing weight fast through aggressive weight loss methods could lead to several health risks. Rapid weight loss often involves a drastic cut in calorie intake, which can result in malnutrition and harmful muscle loss. Additionally, it could increase one's chances of developing gallstones, hard, painful deposits that form in the gallbladder. Furthermore, losing weight rapidly often slows the metabolism, leading to weight plateau or even weight regain, which defeats the purpose of the weight loss in the first place. Professional insights. Key to optimal weight loss strategy. To avoid these risks, it becomes essential to consult a healthcare professional that can provide expert guidance and insights on your weight loss plans. A medical professional will take into account an individual's overall health, any underlying conditions, and tailor a diet and exercise regime that aligns with the person's individual needs and lifestyle. This tailored approach optimizes one's chances of losing weight more effectively and safely. Importantly, the weight loss is more likely to last long term. The right way forward, a balance between fast and safe weight loss. While it might be tempting to shed those extra pounds as quickly as possible, it is important to recognize the value of losing weight at a moderate, healthy pace. Working with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, individuals can establish realistic weight loss goals and devise a nutrition and fitness plan that not only leads to weight loss, but also helps to maintain a healthy lifestyle for the long term. In the end, sustainable weight loss is more about making long-term lifestyle changes rather than fast-paced, short-term solutions. Prevention of yo-yo dieting. It is also worth noting that without medical supervision and a well-structured eating plan, individuals may end up yo-yo dieting, repeatedly losing and regaining weight. This pattern of weight cycling can be harmful to one's health, leading to potential damage to the heart and other vital organs. This underpins the importance of medical supervision in weight loss journeys, particularly those focused on fast weight loss. In the quest to lose weight quickly, it's important to be well informed about potential health risks associated with rapid weight loss. It's highly advised to engage in a medically guided, balanced weight loss program. The ultimate goal should always be a healthier body, therefore never compromise your health for fast results when it comes to weight loss. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle for long-term benefits. Achieving weight loss rapidly and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Quick weight loss can be achieved through various methods like restricted calorie diets, intensive workouts, medicines, and even surgeries, all promising results over a shorter duration. Yet, it's crucial to acknowledge that without a concurrent change in lifestyle, the chances of regaining the lost weight increases. The key to retaining the weight loss and reaping long-lasting health benefits lies in adopting a healthier lifestyle. Healthy diet choices. Diet plays a pivotal role in managing and maintaining weight. After the phase of rapid weight loss, one should instill a balanced diet, which includes a variety of nutrients to keep the body functioning optimally. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, fish, legumes, and tofu help in muscle recovery and growth, especially if you're regularly exercising. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide a rich source of fiber that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and fish support heart health. Limiting processed foods, refined sugars, and high-sodium foods can prevent weight regain and health complications like hypertension. Portion control is another aspect of a healthy diet. Consuming meals and snacks in appropriate amounts can maintain a healthy weight and metabolism. Regular exercise, physical activity is crucial for weight maintenance post-rapid weight loss. Both cardio and strength training exercises provide various health benefits, including increased muscle mass, better cardiovascular health, increased metabolism, and improved mood. Finding an exercise routine you enjoy, whether it's going for a run, taking a dance class, lifting weights, or practicing yoga, will contribute to keeping you motivated and consistent in your fitness journey. Mental and emotional well-being. Mental health significantly impacts weight maintenance and overall health. Stress, anxiety, and depression can lead to overeating or undereating, sleep disruption, and reduced motivation for physical activity, all of which can contribute to weight regain. Implementing stress management and mental wellness activities into your routine, such as meditation, mindfulness, counseling, and adequate sleep, can help maintain weight and improve overall well-being. Routinized medical checkups. Regular medical checkups are necessary for assessing your health status periodically. Tracking your body mass index, BMI, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and other health markers can help you and your healthcare provider make necessary adjustments to your diet and exercise plans. Preventive measures against weight regain. Maintaining the weight loss during the rapid weight loss phase requires a consistent effort. Weighing yourself regularly, but not obsessively, can keep you informed about your progress and help you notice any small weight gains before they become larger issues. Building the support network can also be beneficial. Connecting with others who are also working to maintain a healthy lifestyle can provide encouragement, motivation, and accountability. Remember, the journey to long-term health and weight maintenance is not always linear. It's normal to experience ups and downs. What's important is staying committed to your health goals, adapting your plans as needed, and celebrating your progress. Despite the allure of rapid weight loss, it's necessary to prioritize health and sustainability above speed. One-size-fits-all methods rarely provide long-term benefits or take into account individual health conditions. Thus, adopting a healthy lifestyle, which includes balanced diet choices, regular exercise, mental well-being, and proactive medical checkups, is crucial. Information provided in this exploration will serve as a guide to anyone aiming for a healthier life after weight loss. By taking mindful precautions to prevent weight regain, we can all achieve lasting results and improve our overall health. Remember, the journey towards health and fitness isn't a race, it's a lifelong commitment.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.